Alright YouTube, back at it again. We're making a pallet deck. So before I get too far on this project, without recording it, there's some cinder blocks on the ground and some pallets on cinder blocks. I'm going to do 6 pallets, just a little deck landing, and those blue ones back there, I'm thinking of doing just a little bit of planters on those. But we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you updated. Alright, so now they're all on blocks. Now this isn't going to be a perfect piece of work, but it's going to be enough for a little patio set. We may even make we'll just see how it looks, but staggering these planks, as you can see, and we'll see what the next little bit looks like. So we're making progress with getting these planks on. It ain't gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be something. Alright, so this is the finished product. Our little pallet landing, all made from pallets, free wood, free material. Just bought the nails. Nails ran us about $10 and a lot of sweat, but see how long this lasts. She'll last us a little while. We'll get some sealer on this, and maybe put like a couple of patio chairs, something to relax on. Now that's our little pallet project. I'll finish the edge, all that edging, some wood later, but it can be done. Spend a little bit of time, a lot of cutting and hammering. And this is what it's looking like with Thompson water seal. Still not done, and then got a little bit of the wall going on, and the tiki torches and plants. This is what I'm using to seal it. Thompson water seal. Clear wood protector. Maybe this will last a little longer. Without it, it might not last. With it, maybe it'll last a little longer than